Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be sharing a full guide on how to invite a guest to join your Instagram live broadcast. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the plus icon at the bottom or swipe right anywhere in feed. Step 3. Scroll to live at the bottom. Step 4. Tap the broadcast icon. Step 5. Tap the plus icon at the bottom or swipe right anywhere in feed. Step 6. Scroll to live at the bottom. Step 7. Tap the broadcast icon. Step 8. Tap the plus video icon. Here you'll find requests to join your room. You can also tap the circle icon next to the username of the person you want to invite or search for their username at the top. Step 9. Tap the invite friend icon to invite your followers to your live broadcast. Step 10. Tap send request. Note: if a guest accepts the invitation to join, they'll appear in your live room. You'll also see if they've chosen to decline. That's it. By following these steps, you can easily invite guests to join your Instagram live broadcast. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.